You're going to need oats, flour, vanilla extract, olive oil, baking soda, some eggs, and last but not least, honey plus some honey. The first thing you want to do is add up all the ingredients. For example, baking soda or some olive oil. You add the olive oil. The olive oil is actually very important to keep ingredients in place, or they'll be around with nothing to do, with not sense. But the most important ingredient is honey. The delicious honey with a unique taste. Gives sweet to all your treats. If this didn't have honey, this would be kind of a bitter treat with not so much taste, kind of dry taste. And add as much honey as you think. How sweet is your senpai? So I'm adding a lot of honey because I think my senpai is very sweet. You add all that delicacy, all that sweetness and eggs into your mixture.